seriousness though, man, these guys are the great example of all the variety of people and groups that we sponsor in all these areas of world-class builders, base competitors, athletes, et cetera. Sure, it's great that they are successful in what they do, but first and foremost, they're great humans, and they're just
Thank you.
They're just great humans, great people to work, and that's when I'm looking at that. When you're getting at the core of a sponsorship or support, that means the world to me, and you guys have always been gold from the get-go, and that means a lot to Kicker, because that's you're out there being our face, and representing us, and we appreciate it.
Well, we like to surround ourselves with people that are legitimate and actually can pull off what we're trying to accomplish here. And we've always had great success with the stuff that we've done with you guys. Your components are in almost every single build, at least for the last decade, if not longer. And we've just had a great track record with you guys. So we appreciate you, and want you to bring back your Bluetooth module, and then.
Kevin, didn't we just talk about this a couple days ago?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, did we get anywhere? All right.
Well, hint, hint, nudge, nudge, wink, wink.
God, we can't take
enough.
it anywhere.
Good enough. No, but
This
no,
is
you
why
guys,
we can't
you guys
have
always
nice
been
things.
you guys have always been just a lot of fun to deal with. Your product works wonderful, and it fits well in everything that we do here. We're kind of the type of shop that likes to hide everything. We don't necessarily show it off, but proud to say what's under the upholstery. So
and we let the speakers do the talking for us on our builds. I mean, we hide it all away, and then when you turn it on, it sounds beautiful, and that's exactly what we want.
That's right. Does the job.